I'm on the path to making my home smart. The way I'm doing it is by changing out my lights that I have for color changing Wi-Fi recessed lights. I already have recessed lights installed, so that makes the process of installing them very easy. I'm basically having all the wiring set up for me. So let's get this started. So we're going to start with turning off the breakers for the living room. Then we take off the lights we have now. Now the lights that I'm installing are the JULLISON LED Smart Slim Recessed Lights that you can find on Amazon. The box comes with a cutting template, instructions on how to install the lights, the Smart Life app instructions, the light, and the electrical box. Next, we're going to the attic to replace the lights. So I'm going to use a few tools to work on this job. I'm going to use a hammer, and the other one is going to use wire cutters. And you'll see why soon. Here you see the pot light housing, and I'll remove it with a hammer. After I remove the housing, I'll open up the box that has the electrical wires and cut the wires from the housing. Once the wires are available, I'll strip a small piece of plastic surrounding the wires so that I can connect them with the JULLISON light box. Now I'll get the box that will house the new wires and connect them with their corresponding colors. The black wire will go with the other black wire. The white wire will go with the other white wire. The copper wire will go with the green wire. Then I would do the same to the second pair of wires. Once I'm done connecting the wires, I will place the wires in the box, close it, and lay it next to the open hole. Then we install the new recessed lights where the old ones were. Next, I'm going to show you how to connect the lights to the Wi-Fi and the app. Now, we'll have to make the lights go into pairing mode. The way we do that is we turn on the lights on and off 3 times. And you'll have to wait a few seconds and you'll see them flicker on and off. Now, let's get to the app. Install the Smart Life app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. To add the lights to the app, press the plus button and the app will discover the lights that are in pairing mode. Once you've connected the lights, you can rename the lights to what you'd like. connecting the lights to the Wi-Fi. Also allows you to connect them to Google Home or Alexa. To add the lights to the group, you would go to one of the lights. Click to edit the light's name, and through the other settings, under the rename, you'll see Create Group. So once you've done the necessary steps, now you can edit your scenes. Come on. So here we are at the home page of the app. I'm going to click on Living Room Group, and this is where we can control the dimming feature and the white balance. This is cool white, and this is warm white. I'm going to go to RGB, and we can change it from red, green, or blue, or any color in between. So next, I'm going to show you the scene tab. This scene is a nightlight. I would use this for a movie. You can also use different scenes that are available for you, or you can customize them to yourself. Alright, so next, I'm going to show you the music tab. Now, here it's red, but once I push start, it'll go to the sound of my voice. Or, if you have music, it'll go to the sound of the music. Now, I'm going to cancel and go back to the dimmer. Lastly, I'm going to show you how to use voice control with Google. You can also use Alexa, but I'm going to use Google. Okay Google, turn off all home lights. Okay Google, turn on all home lights. Like so. There are a lot of ways you can have fun with these lights. And if you want to make your home smarter, start with JULLISON LED Smart Recessed Lights. Install and get creative.